Hello, welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, so let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, so let's observe the part here. We have x plus 5 and we have 2x plus 10. So we can get x plus 5 from here. Okay, so we can say 2 raised to, so we can take 2 out, x plus 5 because 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 5 is 10. So I've done nothing here. So I have 11 exponent x plus 5. Okay. So let's observe something here. Alright, so when we're given a raised to mn, the same as a raised to m times n. Okay, so this side is the same as this times that. So we can write this one as 2 squared as 4 raised to x plus 5. Okay, 11 raised to x plus 5. Okay. Alright, so let's bring the powers down. So let's take log on both sides. Okay, so the idea is to bring the powers down. So we have log 4 raised to x plus 5 log 11 raised to x plus 5. Okay, so we have, so when we're given log a raised to t, the same as t log a, so per rule. Okay, so we have x plus 5 times log 4, and this side x plus 5 times log 11. Okay, so let's multiply through. So this side will be x log 4. So we have x log 4. Okay, and 5 times that will be 5 log 4. So the next side will be x log 5 plus 5. So we have x log 11. So plus 5 log 11. Log 11. Okay. Alright, so let's observe them well. And let's see if we can group like terms here. So we have x here, x there. So have x log 4 minus, so x log 11. So we have 11 5 log 11. So this one is coming minus 5 log 4. Okay, so we can factorize x out here. 11 log 4 minus log 11, and we have, so can I also take 5 out here? So we have 5 log 11 minus log 4. Okay, so let's divide with size by log 4. Okay, log 4 log 11 log 4 okay, minus log 11. So this one will cancel this. So we have 5 log 11 minus log 4 on log 4 minus log 11. So we need to do something to the numerator to be able to cancel out. So let's take negative 1 out, which make this side minus 5, okay, and this side will be plus 4 plus log 4, okay, minus log 11. So we have the denominator as log 4 minus log 11. So this one will cancel. So I will leave it minus 5. So my x equals to minus 5, okay? Minus 5. All right. So that's that. Now let's look at method 2. So second method. So the question is 2 raised to 2x plus 10 equals to 11x plus 5. Okay, so let's write this one as 2 to the power 2, okay, x plus 5, 11 raised to x plus 5. So this side will be 4 exponent x plus 5 equals to 11 raised to x plus 5. Now when we're given x exponent n plus m, the same as x to the power n times x to the power m. So this side is 4 raised to x times 4 raised to 5 plus 11 raised to x times 11 raised to 5. Okay, so let's group them. Let's group the x, those with the power of x on one side and those without x. So for instance, we have 4 raised to x here. So I have to bring the 11 raised to x to this side. So I'll divide this side by 11 raised to x. Okay. 11 raised to x. Okay. And I'll divide this side by 4 to the power 5. So this one will cancel. And this one also cancel. So I will leave it 4 raised to x on 11 raised to x equals to 11 raised to 5 on 4 raised to 5. So we have 4 over 11. They have 11 on 4. Okay, it's here. All right. Now let's go ahead as we take x out. X raised n over b raised n is the same as x over b all raised n. So we have 4 over 11 all raised x equals to, so we have same here, 11 on 4 raised 5. Okay. All right. So let's make the bases equal so that we can equate the exponents. So when we're given a over b raised to n, it's the same as once we change the what is inside the bracket, b over a, the power also change. So A over B, B over A. So this one will change. So you can change any, you get the same thing. So we have 4 over 11 is the same as 4 over 11 raised to minus 5. As simple as that. So the bases are equal. So my x is straight away minus 5. Okay. So all the methods have given us answer 5. Okay. All right. So let's verify. Okay. So we have x equals minus 5. All right. Now remember the question is 2 raised to 2x plus 10 equals to 11 raised to x plus 5. So let's plug in the minus 5 and see. So we have 2 times minus 5 plus 10 equals to 11. So minus 5 plus 5. Okay. So 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. We have minus 10 plus 10. And then we have minus 5 plus 5, which is 0. And this side is 0. So only the 0 number to the power 0 is 1. And this side is also 1. Hence proved. Alright, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright.